A function, as I said, will be, or a relation will be on some condition. So there are certain ways to represent this function, to show this function, because function has come out of relation only. Function is a subset of relation only. How do we write it? There are certain ways to represent it. We can make a chart, we can map them, we can represent it through mapping. If you see here y equals 2x, let me show you one of the value. If I put x as minus 2, what will be the y value? Y equals 2x. Just put x as negative 2 here. Negative 2. So 2 multiplied by negative 2, y is equal to negative 4. Minus 4. So you have to have minus 4 here. Similarly, others, if you put minus 1, you will get minus 2. You put 0, you get 0. You get put 2, you get 1, you get 2, 2, you get 4. So you can also write it as ordered pair. Minus 2, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2. Like this till you get 2, 4. This is the relation. This is the relation. How do we represent it through mapping? We usually use the set form, the Venn diagram form, the mapping form. So the x values are written in this way. Second, on output, you put the mapping, that is minus 2. If you put x as minus 2, you get minus 4. Minus 1, you get minus 2. 0, you get 0. X as 1, you get 2. X as 2, you get 4. Y equals 2x. So this is the xy chart and the mapping form. This is a function. Why? Because no one x is related to multiple y. This kind of formation is not there. Every x will give you unique y. You can also see that whether x is repeated or not. If you see x repeated, that is not a function. Now you see these two functions are seen exactly same, but there will be difference. One is function, one not. Y is mod x. That means whichever value you put here, it will always be positive. Y equals, let us put as negative 2. When you put negative 2, it will come as positive because modulus or absolute value is positive value. Now I am putting 2 inside. The value which come outside is 2. That is, if you put minus 2, that is x as minus 2, x as 2, you'll get 2. So let me just do all the values. Minus 1, if you put, you'll get 0. 0, you'll get 0. 1 as 1 and 2 as 2. Do you see any problem here? That is, whether as far as the function definition is concerned, is it contradicting? Let us do it as mapping. Now it will be very clear. Because we know the one value should not point to 2 values. So I'll just, by the line I can find out. These mapping, one value should not point to 2 values. So any value is pointing to 2 or more than 2. One value is either pointing to 2 or more than 2. Is it there? No, it is not there. So this is a function. Come here. Now, for the first time you see that, oh, this is exactly the same function. It has to be a function. But it is not. Please remember, whenever you are dealing with x and y, y is equal to fx. Function of x is y. That is, whatever value x is taking, the y will change on the basis of x. Now, x is equal to mod y. What we see here is, no, this should also be a function. But this is not a function. How? See, put the value of y here and now find out the value of x. That is, put y as 0. See what you get. Put value of y as minus 2. You get 2. Put value of y as plus 2. You'll get 2. Put value as minus 1. You'll get 1. X as minus x1. Y as 1. Again, x as 1. So now 1 is pointing to minus 1, 1. 2 is pointing to minus 2 and 2. So now here, a single value is pointing to 2 values here. That is, for a single x value, there are multiple y values. But the function definition says For every x, there has to be a unique y, which is not here. Let me write it like this. 1, -1. 1, 1. Let me write it whole. 2, -2, and 2, +2. Now you see 1 is repeated, it cannot be a function. You see 2 is repeated, it cannot be a function. Clearly, x, if it is repeated, it is not a function. A single value of x cannot give you multiple value of y. That is the definition of function. Okay? I hope you got the idea. Though y is equal to mod x and x equal to mod y looks exactly same, but just changing the position because y equals fx, things change. Let me just again reiterate it. If I put y as -1, what do you get? X. X as 1. When you put y as +1, x will be 1. So for -1, 1. For -1, there is one mapping, only one mapping of x, and for 1 also it is same mapping. That is how this function is failed. The definition of function is failed. First one was the function, second one is not a function.